Today, we have a MacBook Air 2020 for screen replacement. Customer has said they picked the MacBook up by the screen and cracked it. When working with MacBooks, most screws are different shapes and sizes, so it is best to keep them organized so it is easy to find them when needed. The first thing you need to do after opening a MacBook is to disconnect the battery. Working on the MacBook while it is still plugged in can short the mainboard and cause damage to the MacBook. We remove the metal bracket on top of the LCD cable and Wi-Fi connectors. Disconnect them carefully. Remove the screws holding the LCD subboard down to the frame and gently pry up on the aerial and remove it. We now remove the 6 screws holding the LCD hinge to the frame so we can remove the LCD. Open the screen and maneuver the screen so that it removes from the frame. Prep the new screen by taping the subboard to the back so it doesn't get caught when replacing the screen. I like to keep the MacBook on its side so the hinge and frame match up easily to make sure that the hinge can move freely. Reposition the LCD subboard and clip the aerial back into place. Now we just need to screw everything back down. Don't forget to plug the battery back in and time to test. Last but not least, we can't forget the quick fix sticker.